In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can create a sequence of printout starting from 2 all the way to 20 using while loops. Alright, so what we can do is we can create a variable with the initial value of 2. Alright, and then we can say while count is less than equals to 20. Then we do a printout. Alright, and we say count value equals to count. Alright, and then we want to increment in 2, so we say count plus equals 2. And once we are done with the printout, we want to have a message that says goodbye. Alright, so let's run it. Alright, so basically what this code is doing is we have an initial value of count with 2, and inside this while loop, alright, we are going to keep on printing the value of count, and after each print we're going to increment by 2. Alright, and after we increment by 2, we go back to the beginning of the loop and check again. As long as count is less than or equals to 20, we will print. Alright, so when it is 20 and I increment by 2, alright, count value becomes 22, which means I do not satisfy this condition anymore. That is why I exit the loop. When I exit the loop, I go to the line that is after the loop, okay, which is goodbye, and I print it out over here. Alright, so I hope you understand how to implement a while loop, okay, to achieve this objective. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.